Hey there, Pocket Percussion. It's Luke Herbert here, and I'm currently in at Redham House at my percussion room doing some drum lessons, and we're kind of getting towards the tail end of term 1 for 2025. Across many schools, I'd like to once again welcome all of my new students, and hello again to all of my dedicated past students. For the new students out there, this is a video on how to use Tempo Lite, the metronome app. What is a metronome? So a metronome is a device that helps musicians keep in time. And as a percussionist or a drummer, that is the most important skill set we can have. So we use a digital device now that you can download for free on the App Store or on Google Play, and put it on your device that you use, iPhone, iPad, laptop, whatever you wish. So you type in Tempo Lite, L-I-T-E, and then it's a free metronome app that you can use to practice with. So this video is going to be on how to use the metronome app for students that have not downloaded it yet. Please download it so that you're ready to go for term 2. And this is also for parents to help younger students in primary school, etc., be able to use the app. So if you've been watching my YouTube videos recently, you'll see this metronome in the bottom corner of most of my play along beginner videos. As we go into the year and we start moving past that slow 50 BPM tempo, what does BPM mean? Beats per minute. So as we go past that beginner tempo, you can start using this app rather than the YouTube videos to play along to increase your tempo. So it basically just keeps us in time. So they're the 4 beats of the bar for each click. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as we know, a clock has the second hand that beeps at 60 BPM. So that's how we get our second hand on a clock. That never slows down, and that's why we keep getting older, because time never stops. So music doesn't really either unless it's a rest. So it's important that we work on keeping in time with the metronome so that we don't slow down or speed up. And this never lies. It doesn't slow down, it doesn't speed up. If you're going out of time with it, it's your fault, not this, okay? It's a little bit hard to get used to working with this, and it can be frustrating at first because when you're right in time with it, you won't really hear it. You'll be right on the beat. If you're out of time with it, you will. So let's talk about how to use the metronome. Okay, once again, it's a free app you can download on the App Store. When I started playing music and getting into drumming in high school, my parents had to go out and buy me a physical metronome, like a Dr. Boss. They were from the drum store, and back in those days, they were like, hundreds of dollars. So with technology now, things have become a lot more accessible and cheaper. So do go out and grab this. So with the 4 dots here, right, you can actually tap them. That makes the beat invisible, which we don't ever really want. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If you double tap, you will get an accent. So hear how that's a different pitch on 1? It's good to have a different pitch on beat 1 because that's our home beat. So that's the beat we're going back to each time. And it's good to hear that on a higher beat. That's just a little tip. This is the BPM marking, 60. If you go minus, it'll go down slower. Plus, it'll go faster. If you hold the plus button down, it'll go up by 10 beats at a time to get a tempo quickly. Minus, it'll go down slower. We don't really start any slower than 50 BPM with things we're learning. Down here in the bottom right corner, you see all the different rhythms. So quarter note, which is our 4 beats of the bar. 8th note, 2 notes per beat, which is our rock rhythm. 3 and 4 and triplet. And you can accent each beat if you want. 1, 2, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 16th note, 2E, 1E, and 2E, and 3E, and 4E, and you've also got a volume button here for louder and softer if you're not turning it down on the physical device. I'd recommend also having a pair of Bluetooth headphones or something you can listen to this. If you're on acoustic drums, it'll be quite loud. Pardon me. So a lot of electronic drums will have a metronome built in to the machine. This is a bit more comprehensive, and it's got more features on it basically. So you've also got time signatures down here, but we're mainly working in 4/4 time now, which means 4 beats in the bar. But if you need 3/4, 12/8, other time signatures, you can do that too. So that's a pretty amazing app. I don't get paid or endorse this, but it's just a free app. There are many of them on the App Store. I'd suggest getting this one so it's universally used throughout my teaching with everyone, and we're all on the same page. I hope that's helped everyone, and please download it and start using it. It's the best advice I can give you, and it's the best thing you can do as a musician to start getting better at developing your tempo control and speed. It also helps you play faster as you start to increase your speed with this. So that's Tempo Lite. In our next video, I'll be talking a little bit about setup at the start of term 2, and just making sure we're incorporating everything okay at home with the metronome and our sheet music or our iPad, and having a music stand at home set up is also quite handy. So you can put your music on it and your iPad or your metronome, and then have your Bluetooth headphones on so you can practice. So that's pretty much how we do it in lessons here at school at Redham House, and at the other schools I'm teaching at as well. So if you have a similar setup at home, that will help. But we'll talk about that more in another video, the setup at home for practice, regardless if you're on a practice pad, just starting out, an electronic kit, or a real drum kit. So thanks everyone. It's been a great first term of the year, and happy practicing. Don't forget, keep up your practice in the holidays, and we'll see you all soon. Have a great week.